Okay, so if you've been scrolling long enough, you've probably seen some of those fast-paced and viral edits that's going around of either movies or sports stars or whatever it may be, and you always wondered, how do you even make those? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you a brief example of how I would go about making those edits in Filmora. So let's get right into it. Okay, so first of all, this is not going to be a step-by-step tutorial. This is just a brief overview of how you want to use those tools if you want to make that type of edit. So as you guys can see here, I am in Filmora right now. I have just this random clip of me running in in a road somewhere. Okay, so obviously this has nothing to do with those fast-paced edits, but this is just a random clip so that I can show you how to add those effects. So the first thing that you want to add is, if you see those edits, you'll know that the camera is always moving. Now to do that, you want to go here to effects here at the top, and then it gives you a bunch of different effects, but you want to search for these mild and extreme effects. Now basically what these does, if you put them on your clip, as you guys can see, the clip shakes. Now you get extreme, you get just a little bit of a shake, just like that. And this really depends on how intense you want your edit to be. But as I said, Filmora has a bunch of these different ones. I mean, you can go here to shake as well. And then here you can see all of the different types that Filmora has to offer. Now here it really just comes down to how intense you want your edit to be and how do you want it to look. And then you can go down here to zoom, and then here Filmora gives you a bunch of different zooming options to put in your video as well. So this is like a little zoom fast, zoom in like that. And then you can even go to flicker, which basically means it's like the flashes of light you also see in those types of edits, or like these 3D animations that you can also put in. Now you obviously can go to glitch as well. And then here Filmora gives you a bunch of different options. I mean, I can go on and on forever of all the different things you can do, but this is just to name a few, and it's all in your effects tab. And then you want to go to filters, because if you've noticed in all of those edits that the contrast of those edits is always bumped up to the maximum. So here you can go to, for example, mono, and then you can like add a black or white if you really wanted to. But what I wanted to show you is, you want to go, this is already at my favorites, you want to search for this contrast 1. Now if you put that on, you'll see it makes everything more contraster, if that's a word. But it goes to show that in those edits, the contrast is bumped up a lot. If you can't do that, simply double press the clip, go to color, scroll down, and find the contrast here as well. Adjusting your sharpness also makes a huge difference in those edits. Okay, so there you have it. Now, as I said, this is not a step-by-step tutorial. This is basically just to show you how you put in those effects if you wanted to make that type of edit. So yeah, there you have it. If you have any further questions, just drop a comment. Go check out my channel if you want to learn more. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.